Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from Marinemax in Venice. This is one of my new listings. This is a real nice 2022 Sailfish. This one has the twin 300 V6 4.2 liter Fusion White Yamahas. Approximately 78 hours on the boat. We've got blue hull sides here. This particular boat's kind of unique. This one has the bimini top here. So if you're in an area where you have low bridges, this boat is ideal. So what we'll do, we'll kind of jump on and kind of go through a couple items here. So we've got a nice aft bench seat that rolls out right here. Freshwater shower on the back. Stereo. We've got one recirculating bait well right here. And we have another nice one that is right here, freshwater sink. Then here at the dash, we've got twin Garmin 10-inch screens, multifunction display. This particular boat's equipped with the Yamaha gauge as well. So this is joystick piloting with autopilot. Fully enclosed head down here. Plenty of room for storage and items like that inside the head. And then up front, we've got our windlass up here. As you can see, vinyls are in very nice condition all the way around. Nice Engel cooler that comes with it. Give you a quick rundown on everything. And the boat is located at Marinemax in Venice, Florida. So if you'd like some additional information on the boat, feel free to give me a call. Again, my name's Jeremy Bradshaw with Marinemax in Venice. My number is 941-376-3345 or jeremy.bradshaw@marinemax.com. Thanks again for taking the time, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.